Hi, welcome to Suhaila's Simple Cuisine. Thank you for joining me today. In today's video, I'm going to share with you how to make grilled chicken breast that you can prepare and cook in under 15 minutes. The recipe is very simple and easy, and the chicken breast is going to be delicious, tender, juicy, and I assure you that you and your whole family will love and enjoy. So if this is what you're looking for, please don't go anywhere. I'll be back and show you how to make this delicious recipe from start to finish. Thank you for joining me today. Hi, welcome back. Here's the delicious grilled chicken breast. It looks fabulous. The whole kitchen smells awesome. Along with this, I made some salad, lots of greens, avocado, tomatoes, beets. So you can make whatever salad that you like. You can customize it the way that you like. I'm gonna try a little piece right here and let you know how this chicken tastes. Very soft and very juicy, and that's how it should be. It has a lot of flavors. I love it. With a bowl of salad, it's a perfect complete meal. So I hope you enjoy this recipe today. Thank you so much for joining me. If you're new to this channel, please make sure to subscribe and turn the notification bell on so you don't miss any upcoming recipes. Thank you. I'll see you guys in the next video. Love you all. Goodbye.